Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Lucas and Tsuyu's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of a YouTube subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Lucas and Tzuyu. They all came from abroad and showed great activities. How about their fortune harmony, which is so handsome and pretty? Both Lucas and Tsuyu's letters are candles. I think they will talk quietly all night when they meet. Candlelight is a thing that lights all night long because it has a lot of thoughts and warm hearts. Since they have the same heart, I think they will get along well like friends. Right below the letter referring to themselves is their heart for their spouse. Lucas loves his spouse and wants to take care of herself. Tzuyu wants to take to lead him. They are slightly different from each other. This is a picture of analyzing their fortune structure. Lucas's fortune is very simple and neat. There is only input energy and output energy. This is a structure in which energy flows in and out around Lucas himself. It's a process-driven structure. It's a structure that wants to use what he's learned immediately. This structure fits well with scholars and researchers. It is advantageous to acquire new knowledge and information, and he is good at expressing his own great art by utilizing what he has learned. Lucas is a wonderful person who develops every day and builds his own world well, psychologically peaceful. However, the energy of the activity is not revealed. Therefore, he should meet someone who can supplement that. Tzuyu has adequate input energy and output energy, and the result of the activity energy focusing is also well equipped. This energy is also the result of popularity and wealth. Tzuyu is a good structure. Well, she learns hard and works hard, takes care of her own things, and builds up her own things well. In this respect, they are complementary and good. But Lucas is in his fortune even though the letters of his spouse are not exposed externally. But Tzuyu doesn't have any letters for her spouse, and she has a strong desire to be nice to her spouse. Her spouse's energy is probably in time information, right? I'd like to give them 89%. If the spouse's energy is in time in Tsuyu's fortune, the score can be higher. I wish them both good luck and happiness in their work. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.